How to view a patient's GP medical record summary. Record view is a function on AccuRx that allows a healthcare professional to request and view a summary of a patient's GP record. The record is only available with the patient's explicit permission, and it can only be viewed for 24 hours. Under the Record View banner, click Request GP Record. If the record is unavailable for request, you'll be told why. Possible reasons are that the patient's GP hasn't enabled sharing of their records, or the patient doesn't have a mobile phone number. Viewing a patient's GP record requires first confirming that you're in communication with the patient, either in a consultation with them, on a call, or through text. The patient will be sent a 6-digit code to their mobile. You'll have to ask the patient for this code, which you'll then have to input into the space provided. You can see what the SMS message looks like. So I'm going to key in this code that the patient will presumably have given to you. If the code is correct, you'll be taken to a page detailing the patient's GP medical record summary. Access the different sections of this report by clicking on the tabs in the menu at the top of the page. You can view their problems, categorized by significant and minor problems, as well as their medications and allergies, any investigations they've done in the last 2 years, as well as immunizations and the patient's contact details, as well as their GP's details.